Higher tire pressure and frequent oil changes sound smart, but do they actually work? For decades, drivers around the world have relied on advice passed down through mechanics, friends, and family, believing it to be absolute truth. Two of the most common beliefs are simple and convincing. Keeping tire pressure higher than recommended improves fuel mileage, and engine oil must be changed every 1,000 kilometers to protect the engine. These ideas sound logical, and for many years they shaped driving habits across generations. But as automotive engineering evolved, research, testing, and real-world data began to challenge these assumptions, revealing a more complex and accurate picture. The belief that higher tire pressure always increases fuel efficiency comes from basic physics. When a tire is underinflated, it creates more rolling resistance, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. This fact is true and well documented. However, exceeding the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure does not continue to deliver benefits. Vehicle manufacturers determine optimal tire pressure after extensive testing to balance fuel efficiency, safety, braking performance, tire wear, and ride comfort. When tire pressure is set too high, the tire's contact patch with the road becomes smaller, reducing traction and stability, especially during braking and cornering. Overinflated tires also wear unevenly, increasing wear at the center of the tread and shortening tire life. While a slight increase within safe limits may show minimal efficiency gains in controlled conditions, consistently running tires above recommended pressure increases safety risks without meaningful long-term fuel savings. The most reliable way to achieve proper mileage is not excessive pressure, but maintaining tires exactly at the level specified by the manufacturer. A similar myth surrounds engine oil changes, particularly the belief that oil must be replaced every 1,000 kilometers. This idea dates back to an era when engine oils were less refined and engines themselves were built with looser tolerances. In the past, oil degraded quickly due to lower quality additives and higher contamination levels. Today, modern engines are designed with precision machining, improved combustion efficiency, and advanced filtration systems. At the same time, engine oils have undergone dramatic improvement. Modern mineral oils, semi-synthetic oils, and fully synthetic oils are engineered to resist breakdown, control deposits, and maintain viscosity over far longer distances than older oils ever could. Automotive manufacturers now specify oil change intervals based on extensive laboratory testing and real-world driving conditions. For many modern vehicles, recommended oil change intervals range from 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, and in some cases even higher when using fully synthetic oil. Changing oil too frequently does not harm the engine, but it offers no additional protection and leads to unnecessary expense and environmental waste. The true risk lies not in extending oil changes within manufacturer guidelines, but in ignoring oil quality, oil level, or recommended service intervals altogether. Proper maintenance means following the specifications designed specifically for each engine, not outdated rules passed down from earlier generations. Ultimately, both myths share a common origin. They were once reasonable advice in a different technological era. But vehicles today are products of decades of engineering progress. The safest, most efficient, and most cost-effective way to care for a modern vehicle is to trust manufacturer data, follow recommended tire pressures, and adhere to documented oil change intervals. Automotive truth is not found in extremes, but in balance, precision, and evidence. As technology advances, so must the knowledge that guides the way we drive. In the end, the truth about vehicles is not found in old habits, but in engineering, evidence, and balance. When we follow the data, not the myths, we don't just save fuel or money. We drive safer, smarter, and into the future.